Okay, so the first step was to check the materials and to check that you have everything. And the second step before applying the grout to the tiles is cleaning. Cleaning from the top to the bottom, from the top to the bottom, from the top to the bottom, like that, like 4 times. Before cleaning from the top to the bottom, go through every line, every little line that you find. Don't forget, neither 1 centimeter. It has to be very clean, because if it's not clean, the grout won't go inside, and the grout has to go inside. So after you do that and you do the up down to clean, you come to the shower plate or the bath tube, whatever you have, and you clean it also, really clean. The clean only with clean water. Do not use any detergent or any type of product. It's not necessary and could actually interact with the component of the grout, so just use just only water. And also seal the discharge pipe, so there's no chances that the material goes inside. And why to clean also here? Because in case you have it clean, the material that you will apply will go down, so you can take it again and put it again back on the wall. But if it is dirty, it won't be possible to do that.